Hey guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here. Hiding in my plastic man cave. This is one of the ways that can help me make some videos more regularly because it's raining over here all the time. But I haven't done a giveaway video and I finally hit 7,000 subs. So I'm going to do a giveaway video. And there's two things you need to do. You need to go over to Prepper Dell's channel. He still hasn't hit 1,000 yet. You need to sub him and have him hit 1,000 subs. And then comment below saying I'm in. Now the prizes I'm going to do is I have a big prize here. Not many this time because I'm running out of kicks. I'm selling most of it on eBay. There's my plug, eBay. Go there now. Right, so I got this brand new it's very nice. Okay. Massive handle, very Vikingish knife, right? The sheath honestly is pretty good as well. There you have it. And you have all the Mali comparable backing on it. Very nice knife, very nice sheath, okay? So this is the SCHF 40LD. Alright. So I never used it. Bought it because I like the handle on it, I like the look. And I like the sheath on it because you can, it's a long side on it, dangle, whatever you want to call it. But and the Mali you put it in your pack on the side of the pack. That's the only reason why I like it. But I got so many knives, I don't want to I want to have any more, and this is good for the giveaway. Now the giveaway itself, it's gonna keep running until Dell hits 1,000. Okay, so if you sub Dell, tell your friends, have them sub Dell, because I want Dell to hit 1,000. Now besides this knife, I'm also going to throw in some Prepper in the Woods char cloth, Prepper in the Woods fire wicks, and then some jute char jute in it as well. So get the knife and some fire stuff. Hope you guys like that. Again, comment below saying I'm in. Go over Prepper Dell and make sure you sub to him as well, okay? Again, he has to hit 1,000 subs before this goes out. So have your friends do it, spread the word, put it on Facebook, whatever you gotta do, okay? Thanks guys for watching. Catch you next video. Bye.